Workers' compensation exists to provide medical and financial assistance to workers who become injured while at work. Under Oklahoma law, employees have specific medical treatment rights. These rights and the workers' responsibilities are explained in the Guide for Injured Workers published by the Oklahoma Workers' Compensation Commission. Here's a basic explanation of your medical treatment rights under Oklahoma Workers' Compensation when injured at work. Do you have a right to file a claim for medical treatment? Oklahoma employees whose employers are required to carry workers' comp insurance have the right to file a workers' compensation claim if they suffer an injury or illness due to their job. You cannot be denied the opportunity to file a claim after an injury. Any attempt to prevent you from filing a claim is punishable by law. What are your rights for reasonable medical treatment? You have a right to receive any medical treatment that is reasonable and necessary for a compensable injury or illness. Oklahoma workers' compensation law requires an employer to provide appropriate and necessary treatment within 5 days of receiving knowledge or notice that a work injury has occurred. It's important to note that you must follow your doctor's treatment plan to receive workers' compensation. Follow your doctor's orders and attend appointments to ensure your benefits are completed on time. Your employer has the right to choose your treating physician. If they fail to provide reasonable and necessary treatment within 5 days of receiving notice of your injury, you may choose your own treating physician. You have a right to request a change in treating physician. Oklahoma law allows an injured worker to request a one-time change of treating physician when the employer is not part of a certified workplace medical plan. An experienced Oklahoma workers' compensation attorney can help you file the forms with the Oklahoma Workers' Compensation Commission securing a physician change. The insurance carrier must provide a list of 3 qualified physicians from which you may choose. Having a knowledgeable Oklahoma workers' compensation attorney is critical when determining the best physician you should choose. You have a right to a second opinion or independent medical examination, also known as an IME. If you are unhappy with the treatment you're receiving or the diagnosis you've been given, you have a right to request a second opinion from another physician. Also, both you and the insurance company can request a second opinion or IME when a treating physician has made a surgical recommendation. This can help ensure that you receive the best care possible and that your injury is properly diagnosed and treated. The second opinion or IME physician is selected by the Workers' Compensation Commission judge and not by the insurance company. You have the statutory right to appeal any decisions concerning your medical care. Injured employees have the right to appeal any decisions made by their employer's workers' compensation insurance provider regarding their medical treatment. If your claim for medical treatment is denied, you can appeal the decision and request a hearing with an Oklahoma Workers' Compensation Commission judge. Decisions from an Oklahoma Workers' Compensation Commission judge can also be appealed to the Workers' Compensation Commission and to the Oklahoma Supreme Court. You may also be entitled to vocational rehabilitation. If you cannot return to your pre-injury job or an equivalent one due to permanent restrictions, this can include job placement services after training for your new vocation. You may be able to receive continuing medical maintenance after completing your initial treatment and receiving maximum medical improvement. Your treating physician or an independent medical examiner may recommend day-to-day maintenance of your condition in the form of prescription medications and physician follow-up appointments for the prescribing and monitoring of your medications. I'm Craig Armstrong, and since 1983 I've been helping individuals injured with an Oklahoma employer get the proper compensation they're entitled to receive. If you have suffered a work-related injury, it's in your best interest to seek legal representation from the attorneys at the Armstrong law firm right away. We are committed to helping injured workers secure the workers' compensation benefits they need as quickly as possible. Call us at 918-582-2500 or toll free at 800-722-8880. You can also go to our website and complete the form requesting a consultation with a skilled attorney.